Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking a curry recipe with mutton bones. I always made soup with mutton bones, but for a change, this time wanted to try something different. And here is my recipe of making a mutton bone curry. To begin, for the masala, we would need 4 tomatoes, 12 cashews which I have chopped them into small pieces, 4 cloves of garlic, handful of coriander leaves, 2 onion, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Grind all these to fine paste. Our ground masala is ready. Rinse the jar with 1 cup water and add it to the bowl. Into this, add 6 tablespoons of curd and give it a good mix. Now it's mixed well, so keep this aside. Heat a pressure cooker and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is medium hot, add 1 cinnamon, 1 pinch cumin seeds, 3 cardamom pods and 2 cloves. Fry for few seconds. Now add 1 thinly sliced onion. Fry the onion till it turns light brown. Onion has changed its color. Carefully add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell fades away. Here I have taken 7 to 8 bone pieces and they have very less meat on them. Also using the mutton fat as it adds great taste to the curry. Now add them to the cooker and fry well for 2 minutes. Here you can see the mutton has changed to light brown. Now it's time to add the ground masala and mix well. As it gets a boil, add salt to taste, few mint leaves for flavor, 1 teaspoon tamarind paste diluted with 3 tablespoons water for tanginess, 3 red chilies of this type, 3 whole potatoes. Adding potatoes is completely optional. 1 cup of water and mix well. At this stage, you can see the consistency is very thin, but as it cooks, the consistency will be thick. Close the lid and pressure cook for 7 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open the lid. Our mutton bone curry is ready. You can see the consistency is very thick and has a good texture. You can serve this as it is. I am going to make this consistency thin, so adding half cup water and salt to adjust the taste. Mix well. Now turn on the heat and let it boil well. Once done, turn off heat and the mutton bone curry is ready. Serve this with plain rice or ghee rice. This also tastes really yum with ragi ball or ragi mudde. Do give this recipe a try. I'm sure you will love it. Thank you so much. Do subscribe my channel for more recipes. Take care. Bye bye.